Hey everybody, welcome to Realynns world. Oh, cooking is my passion. So if cooking is your passion, you have come to the right place. I'm sitting here in my office doing some work, but I just thought I would touch base with you and kind of give you a feel on what this channel is going to be about. There will be some surprise guests, and also I will have my sister joining me in this group and so or this YouTube channel. So I'm really excited. I'm sorry, I just saw the UPS guy, but I'm really excited. I love to cook, and I've been cooking for many years. I'm a recipe developer. I have kind of made it my specialty to go more low carb, keto, but I've been having a tendency to do whatever. I like mukbangs. I'm a foodie. I'm an author. I have a cookbook that is coming out, and it is getting ready to have many more behind them. So I hope you guys enjoy this channel. I hope you subscribe. I hope that you watch my videos. Click the little bell above so you never miss one of my live videos. And I look forward to cooking with you, for you, eating with you, and I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye-bye. See you later.